Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change default web browser in Windows 11. So let's get started. So starting with Windows 11, Microsoft has make it difficult for the users to change default web browser in Windows 11. The purpose is to force users to use Edge browser, but that doesn't mean you can change the default web browser, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to launch the setting app, and for that you need to click on the start button. Now here in the start menu you need to select settings. Now here on the left side you need to switch to apps and then select default apps on the right side. Now under this section that reads set defaults for applications, using the search box you need to look for Microsoft Edge. When it appears in the search results, you need to click on it. Now here you can see that all the file types or link types are set to open with the Microsoft Edge browser. So to change the default web browser to browser of your choice, let's say Firefox, what you need to do is just click on this file type. Now from the menu you need to select Firefox, click OK, and following the same procedure you need to select your preferred browser as Firefox. You need to make sure that all the file types are set to open with your preferred browser. In case a particular file type is not supported by your browser, you can see that in this situation Firefox is not available, so you can leave it as it is, and again and again. So you can see that I have changed all the file types to open with Firefox. So that's it guys, this is how you can change default web browser in Windows 11. Following the same procedure you can select your preferred browser as default browser in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. If you really like it, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.